you the NTONPOWER strip that I bought from Amazon, and I will review it based on my personal experience, and I will tell you about all the benefits you can have in this single power strip. To review this Anton power strip, as you can see, yeah, I would really recommend it because I have personally used it and I give it a thumbs up. As you can see, it has got so many of AC ports, in total 10 in number, and 3 USB ports. So it is very helpful for me during this festive season, especially because I have to light up so many lights, string lights and other lights. As you can see over here, I have to do the decor and all the lights are mostly lit together, so I need so many ports, so it is very helpful for me right now. I have to charge my phone, attach my speakers, attach my aromatherapy lamps, attach my devices like laptop and computers, and iPad and mobile chargers. So it's very helpful and handy for that purpose, and it is very sturdy. You can see it. Yeah, it is not very thinly made. It is very durable. It is strong enough, and it is really useful for people like me who have to charge so many devices, who have to connect so many things at their home. So it's really helpful. I really like this Anton power strip and would really recommend it to anybody looking for a durable power strip at their homes.